Hey, good morning, friends and family. This is Marquilyn Sigler. I'm with Better Tax Prep Services, doing business at Alabama Tax Prep Services, and I want to welcome you to another edition of Tax Tip Thursday. Today is Thursday, December 1st, 2022. If you're interested in getting your small business or personal income tax prep return done, feel free to give me a call. You can reach me at 334 226 7981. So that's the dedicated tax business number. You can also visit our website at bettertaxprepservices.com. So once again, if you're interested in doing personal income tax return or small business tax return, you can reach me directly at 334-226-7981. That is a dedicated business number. Or you can visit our website, bettertaxprepservices.com. Or if you see this video, you can leave a direct message. This video will probably be posted on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, any number of sources. Just leave me a direct message and I will get back with you. So for today's Tax Tips Thursday, I want to talk about a loophole that's popping up. So basically, let me kind of pull up my notes on it because I've been doing some research on this for a while. I finally feel like I'm at the point we can talk about it. So the IRS had a rule that came into effect on January 1st, 2022 that requires third-party payment processors such as Venmo and PayPal to issue 1099-K forms to any users who receive more than $600 in payments via their apps, and also found it directly to the IRS. So what was happening is people were trying to avoid taxes by saying, hey, don't pay me in cash, check, or credit card. Just send it to me via PayPal or Cash App or Venmo. The IRS caught wind of that, and they said, okay, if you get over $600, then you guys, then these users these services have to report the information over to the IRS, and then IRS, and then they're gonna 1099 you to say, hey, IRS, we paid this individual this much, and we're letting you know so they can file their taxes. However, it seems like there's a loophole that's been found. Zelle is saying the new rule doesn't apply to it because it's a bank-to-bank payment service, and it's a network that doesn't hold funds. Now, of course, in the email, Zelle had a spokesperson talk about this, said, hey, because the payment service network are not subject to this law, and they're like, why are people going towards you? And they said, we ain't got no comment on that. We just know we're not subject to the law right now. So right now, that does appear to be a loophole. Now, doing more research on this, I found a couple of things. That if enough people start moving off of these other platforms to Zelle, that the IRS, that Congress could pass legislation to include Zelle into this, or say, Zelle, you got to start giving us the names of people who are coming to you doing this right here. Specifically, it says Congress could extend the law to include Zelle. The IRS could investigate, perhaps seeking customer names for Zelle for heightened audit and security. And the reason the IRS is doing this is because it used to be back in the day that 1099-K forms were previously only required for merchants with more than 200 transactions in a year exceeding $20,000 in total value. But they're saying that they may have missed thousands of dollars in payments because people were, kind of circumvented. They weren't hitting that threshold. Actually, they said an estimated $144 billion in taxes for individual and small business went unreported between 2014 and 2016. So that's why the IRS kind of put this rule into effect to say, hey, if you go through one of these third-party payment services, we're going to make them start 1099 you. And Zelle right now appears to be the service that's not having to do that. So they're starting to see a migration of people to Zelle. So if you're looking for a way to avoid that 1099 for the time being, it seems to be Zelle. But I gotta let you know that if people keep moving to it, eventually the IRS may include them as well. I hope you enjoyed that information. Once I said, feel free to give me a call. Once again, the dedicated business number is 334-226-7981. You can also visit the website bettertaxprepservices.com. You should see it in the banner somewhere on here as well, probably right below this area right here is where I'm going to try and put it. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you. Peace.